let's permanently delete your Facebook account. To start, you can open your Facebook application. After opening, tap the hamburger menu in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Now open settings like this. Then you have to have this account setup page at the top of the list. If you don't have this one, you have to up-to-date your Facebook application. Here, just tap Account Center. Now tap Personal Details. To the last option, Account Ownership and Control. Select Deactivation or Deletion. Now select Facebook. Now you can see Deactivate account is selected by default. To delete it, you have to change it to Delete Account like this. Select Delete Account. Then just tap the Continue button. Here they ask you to select a reason. Right now, I'm not going to select any reason. Now, it will provide some additional option to deactivate, as well as it is better download a copy of your information. Otherwise, you might lose your data. Then just tap the Continue button. Now, you have to re-enter your password to verify yourself. After re-entering your password, tap the Continue button. Now, you have to confirm your deletion request. Once you submit the deletion request, it will be deleted within next 30 days because of the security reason. After that 30 days, you can't retrieve or you can't reactivate your account. So just tap the delete button to permanent deletion. Just wait a few seconds until you get this pop-up message. Now your account has been scheduled for permanent deletion. Then you will be logged out from your Facebook account, as well as you might get a confirmation email too. Like this, you will get a confirmation email. Your account is scheduled for permanent deletion, as well as it will be deleted within next 30-day period. If you want to deactivate instead of deleting your account, I invite you to click this end screen video and come on over. Later!